For all intents and purposes, being in the military does not pay a lot, but you get great benefits. Benefits so good that really a lot of private sector citizens would kill to have them, or even worse yet, would cheat to have them. One of the ways that they may cheat our military brethren is through essentially trying to steal their paychecks. This is called military allotments, and there's a scam involving that where they try to maybe get you to do a loan or some other type of financial product where in order to pay for it, you are forced as a military service person to apply for a military allotment, which essentially allows them to take the money out of your paycheck. That is not fair. It's against the law. Specifically, the Military Lending Act of 2006. At our Financial Management for Deployed Military workshop, we educate you on how to protect yourself. Because if you don't know about the protection, you're more likely to fall victim. None of us wants that. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.